Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia 515, and now I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM card and CD card into this device. To do it, firstly we need to open the cover. To do it, here as you can see on this side of our device we have the hole, and we need to insert the pin into this hole. So just insert it and press. In this way, as you can see, the back cover was opened, and to open it full we need to use our nails and fingers. Here we need to remove the battery, so it's too easy to do. Insert your finger here and just remove the battery. Here as you can see I have CD card. To insert the CD card you have here the place to micro CD, so just insert micro CD and install it in this way. Great, cool. And now I'll show you how to install the SIM card. So as you can see, the normal SIM card in our times, I live for example in 2023 right now. Right now we have nano SIM cards, but to use SIM card in this device you need to have micro SIM card. It's old type of SIM cards, but not too old. For example, normal SIM looks like this. So here is normal SIM, but we don't need normal SIM, we need micro SIM. Great. Now use this micro SIM, and as you can see here we have the corner, in other corner, and here we have the place for this corner. So rotate your SIM card and insert it. Great. Now as you can see here we have the battery place and battery pins. So here we have 3 pins for battery, plus, minus and 0. So just here we have these 3 pins too. So just insert the battery in this place, in this way, and insert battery to pins and press on the battery. Now we need to close the cover. So fit the cover to camera in this way. Cool. Now press and hold power button and enable your Nokia device. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.